Hi, Melody here, mom of 4 in our blended family of 6. Today I have the bookworm with me and Bean because we got our box in the mail for Mel's Science kits. Bookworm's really excited about participating in the video. Bean is really excited to get into this box. So I have not opened the box beyond this. I just cut the tape on it so that we could open it right up. So we're gonna dig right in to see what kind of kits we have. Stick around so that you can see it with us. Okay, if you like science as much as we do, I think you're gonna like these kits. I think we're gonna like these kits, but we haven't looked inside them yet. So, Bean, do you wanna do the honors? And flip the top, and we will check this out. This is the first kit that is sent. So if my understanding is correct, we have some extra materials here that we're going to need for all of our future science lessons. Our first one is a VR cardboard. Bookworm, you want to open that up? Let's see what's in that.
Can't we just take everything out and then
Do you want to take it all out first?
Yeah, we take it all out
Bookworm,
and
take
then
that
just
all
do it
out.
all at once.
Well, let's see what it is.
I'm not Bookworm.
This one says Mel's Chemistry Tin. What's the next one, Bean?
The next one's big.
Oh, it's big.
Really big.
It's too big. We can't do it.
It's a box. I've always wanted a box.
Oh, we get an empty one. Mel's Chemistry app. It comes with an app. If you didn't know that, I already downloaded it. It's actually pretty cool. We are not being sponsored by Mel Science at all, but hey, Mel Science, if you want to sponsor us, we would accept. We bought this kit so that we could use it for our science lessons this year, and we have no investment in this company or program or some supporting or anything beyond we hope we really like it. What have we got? So it looks like it comes with a booklet. All right, let's look at what else we got in here. We've got a tray.
So exciting.
Bookworm, you want to pull some of these things out?
You get one, I get one, Mom the other.
How do I look?
Ridiculous. Yeah, pretty much.
It's pretty heavy duty. It's a
That
stove.
doesn't open very far.
That is a cell phone holder.
And rubber things. And
Here, guys.
measuring.
Ooh, that's glass. Be gentle. Ah. There's no
And clippy thing. And a metal thing.
There's no system here. It's got a nice solid glass beaker, a little plastic funnel. Looks like a whole stack of little plastic cups. The ones on the bottom seem like they've been smashed a little bit. But, yep, the cups on the top are also smashed a little bit. So there was some trouble with our packaging. Although I can see clearly some nice foam packaging in here, and the box itself is actually a pretty heavy duty box. So it says how it works. Your first package consists of the starter kit, which is this box, an experiment set, which is this box, and a VR headset, which was this box. Starter kit, manual, safety glasses, plastic beaker, glass flask, rubber stopper. It's a rubber stopper. Does it make you stop? Will you stop if I push you with it?
Cool.
Cork hot pad stand.
It says Tin Hedgehog and Tin Dendrite.
Funnel.
Ooh, lots of chemicals.
Oh my goodness, lots
and
of chemicals.
2 instructions.
So when you open up the tin kit, you can see it's got all kinds of chemicals and some before you start stuff in it.
Which
This one, Tin Hedgehog or Tin Dendrite?
Hedgehog.
All right.
I don't know what dendrite is.
They agreed. My children agreed. We're doing
Actually,
the
I
same
wanna do
thing.
this
Nope,
one.
you can't change mine. Hello, Mel Science app. How do you do something? Ah! In case you're wondering, this funky little picture right here is the code. Right, take from your starter kit Plastic tray. Someone say check.
Check.
All right, find out and complete this now. It wants you to write in your local hospital phone number before you start. So possibly they're serious about being careful. All right, it's all ready, pre-measured. So if we looked at it, hold on, this is what it started off as.
Oh. Cool.
Bookworm, what do you think?
Eh.
How would you rate it?
2.
Like a 2 out of 5 stars. What could have been different to make it better?
Make it bigger.
Make it bigger. That's pretty big. I mean, look
It's
at
not very round either. It said like look at the picture, Mom. It's supposed to be a hedgehog.
Well, because that's like, you know what would be cool is if we got our microscope down and looked at it under the microscope. Then you could see him.
How long do we have to leave?
We have to leave in 5 minutes.
Okay, I gotta go.
So wait, bing, 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 bing. How do you rate this experiment?
2.
A 2. Also a 2. Okay, so we were really excited about the Mel Science kits. I know there's a lot of more experiments coming, but I can honestly say this first experiment, I don't know that I would say it wasn't as exciting as what the girls had hoped for. They've been begging to do this, and I feel like they felt it was a little bit of a dud. But I really liked how the app has all kinds of extra things we will look at later. Discover interesting facts. So we could really turn this into a lesson, and it's a lot more fun than if we just had a science book and we were just sitting there talking about facts. We can actually see it happen and see it grow. So I hope this video has been helpful for you to determine whether or not this is something you're interested in. Leave a comment in the comment box below. Follow me on Instagram. Check us out over there at Homeschool Happy Hour. And hope you enjoyed today's video, and we will catch you next time.